This is Bob, a typical consumer who lives in Big City. Bob loves to buy the latest gadgets for himself and his family. The more new things Bob buys, the more old things he has to throw away. And that goes for food as well. The more Bob consumes, the more he throws out. Where does all this waste go? The answer is the waste goes into landfill. But landfill takes up precious land. It breeds hazardous bacteria and smells, and no one wants to live next door to it. This is Barry. His job is to manage Big City's waste. Barry has been told to reduce the costs of Big City's waste, which are transport, wages, and the price of precious land. Barry works into the night trying to come up with ways of cutting costs, but doesn't know what to do. But then, in the middle of the night, he has an idea. What if he cuts his costs by cutting down the amount of waste Big City produces? How? By recycling. We all know that recycling our waste is good for the environment and good for the community. But it can also be good for business. How? Well, 50% of Big City's waste is organic. What if Barry could recycle this organic waste into a commodity that is good for the environment, reduces the volume of landfill, and makes money for the city? Too good to be true? Not at all. Barry could use a BiobiN that breaks down the potentially hazardous organic waste into a safe, environmentally friendly, rich organic compost. A BiobiN uses a scientific method of using natural heat and forced airflow, eliminating unwanted disease and smells. The BiobiN removes smells, disease and bacteria, and fly and rodent contamination. Then the organic material is transformed into compost, which the community can sell or use in their own food production. Therefore, less landfill is needed and more land is available to build houses on. Soon, everybody wanted to move to Big City. So you can see that the BiobiN saves money, is good for the environment and good for the community.